everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Daikon Radish leaves Furikake. Furikake is rice seasonings you put on the rice to eat it, or you can mix in the rice to make rice balls. It is up to you. It's a perfect rice topping, perfect for bento box. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I'm showing you in the small portion. You can double, triple this recipe depending on the amount of leaves you have. Wash the leaves very well and chop into small pieces. When you double, triple this recipe and you have a lot of leaves, you can parboil or microwave to reduce the amount. Cook the leaves with half the amount of sesame oil. When the leaves become soft, add tuna. Or katsuobushi bonito flakes are okay. Quickly cook until combined. Then add soy sauce and sugar. Cook slowly and very well until the liquid is gone. Add sesame seeds and remaining sesame oil to finish. Mix and cook quickly until fragrant, then stop the heat. And now it's done! You can keep this dish for 5 days in the fridge, perfect for daily meal and bento box. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.ご飯の上に乗せたり、ご飯に混ぜたりしていただいてください。いただきます。最後にごま油を少し垂らすとすごく風味が良くて美味しいです。今日子供たちのお弁当に入れてみました。
こうやってこうやってこう。
あ、上手。次は大好きな5だ。そこ。上手。1、2はそう、3は上手。4は
こうやってこうやってこう。
そう、5は
やってこうやってこうやれば。
すごい。